Okay, so we are continuing with addition of fractions. So these are the questions that we want to handle. We want to add this fraction to this fraction. This is a mixed fraction. We want to add it to a mixed fraction. Let's see how it's going to be. Then this one too, let's look at it and look at this mixed fraction. Then we bring addition of fraction to an end. Now we have the first question. 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3. The first thing we have to look for is the LCM, as we did previously. So the LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. When you multiply this by this, it's going to give you 6. So we have 6. How many times will 2 go into 6? 3 times. 3 times 1. We have 3. Then we bring the addition sign here. Then 3, how many times will 3 go into 6? 2 times. 2 times 2, 4. We have 4 over here. Please, the way I did it is the same as bringing the LCM here. And here we go here. How many times? 2 go here 3 times. 3 times is 3. Plus here, 3 will go into 6 2 times. 2 times 2, 4. This type and this type, they are all the same. This and this are all the same. They are not two different things, so don't be confused. So I prefer using this for now. So 3 plus, now we have to carry on the operations. The addition sign is here, 3 is here, 4 is here. So 3 plus 4, we have 7. Then we bring the denominator, which is a 6. This is an improper fraction, so we have to change it to a mixed fraction. So this is, the answer is 7 over 6, or 6 will go into 7 once, then remainder 1, and we have the denominator 6. So this is this. So we have, therefore, 1 over 2 plus 2 over 3 is equal to what? 7 over 6, or one whole number 1 over 6. So let's take the second question. Let's take the second question where it has a mixed fraction. We work with a mixed fraction. So second question. So now we solve this one to be 7 over 6, or one whole number 1 over 6. Now we have 3, question 2. 3 whole number 1 over 2 plus 2 whole number 2 over 3. Now the first thing we have to do over here is to change this mixed fraction to an improper fraction, where previously we did we have a whole number b over c. We have to change it to a over b. It should be in this form before you handle it. It should, when you see a mixed fraction, you should always change it to an improper fraction before you do the addition. So we continue. So 3 multiplying 2 plus 1. We have 3 over here. We are changing this one, so this is going to be 3 plus times 2 plus 1 all over the denominator 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 2 over the denominator 3. So we have this. Now we have to simplify them. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is equal to what? 7. We repeat the denominator, which is 2, plus 2 times 3, we have 6 plus 2, 8. So we have 8 over 3. So this is the same as this. So if we change this two improper fractions into mixed fraction, this is what you are going to get. So we are changing this mixed fraction to improper fraction. We are getting this. So since we have this, we can easily work with it. So we'll have to find the LCM. So LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. just as this. Now, how many times will 2 go into 6? 3 times. 3 times 7, 21. Then we bring your addition sign. How many times will 3 go into this? 6. 2 times. 2 times 8, 16. So now, we have 21 plus 16. 1 plus 2, we have 3. 1 plus 6, we have 7 over 6. So now we have 37. This will give us 37 over 6. Now, this is also an improper fraction, so we have to change it to a mixed fraction. So how many times will 6 go into 37? It will go how many times? When 6 go here, it will go 5. So it is 6 times. 6 times 6, 36. So we have 6 whole number, remainder 1 over 6. So this very question, the answer is 37 over 6 or 6 whole number 1 over 6. So we have it here. It's the same as 37 over 6 or 6 whole number 1 over 6. So we are done with this one too. Then we take the third one. 3 over 4 plus 7 over 8 plus 1 over 2. Note that the denominators are not the same. This is unlike fraction, so you can't add the numerators and move on. No. This one, the denominators are different, so you have to find the LCM. If they were the same, you would have just add the numerators and move on. But this one, they are different, so you have to find the LCM. Now, the LCM of this 4, 8, and 2, it is 8 that is common to all of them. 8 times 1 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have LCM to be 8. How many times will 4 go here into 8? 2 times 3, 6. Plus, how many times will 8 go into 8? Once. 1 times 7, we have 7. Plus, how many times will 2 go into 8? 4 times 1. 4 times 1, 4. So we have this plus this 10. So this is 17 over 8. Or we have to change it to a mixed fraction. 8 will go here 2 times, which is 2 times 8 is 16. Remainder 1 over 8. So with the third one to 3 over 4 plus 7 over 8 plus 1 over 2, it's going to give us 17 over 8 or 2 whole number 1 over 8. Now the last one. Let's solve the last one here. We also have to change. So we have solution. We also have to change this one, the mixed fraction, into improper fraction before we can go ahead with the operation. So to change this to improper fraction, we have 1 times 6 plus 5 all over 6, then plus 3 times 8 plus 7 all over 8. So here will be 6. 1 times 6 is 6 plus this 11 over 6 plus 3 times 8, 24 plus 7, 31. So we have 31 over 8. Now we have to find the LCM of 6 and 8. It's going to give us 24. So we have this one to be equal to, we have LCM 24. Here we go here 4 times So 4 times. So we have 4 times 11. 11 times 4, 4. So we have 44 over here, plus, now 3 will go into 24. How many times? It will go there 3 times. So you multiply that 3 by 31. So 3 times 1, 3 times this, 9. So we have 91. So this place is what? 93. This place is going to be 93. So now 44 plus 93. We have 93 plus 44. 3 plus 4 is 7. 9 plus 4 is 13. So our answer is 137 over 24. Now, you would have to change the 137 by 24 into a mixed fraction, which is 137 over 24 into mixed fraction. So change this to a mixed fraction and put your answer at the comment section for me.